we needed a bounce back from last week. We had a meeting in the week about training. The performance wasn't good enough. And today, the lads have absolutely blown us away. The reaction of them, we can't ask for any more.
We came to win the game and didn't actually manage to achieve that, so we're disappointed. I thought we obviously happy going in at 1-0 and didn't really need to change anything really, except defend a little bit better, but they managed to get 2 goals, so we don't take the points.
Oedd o'n well Perfformiad heddiw, probably yr un gorau dan ni gael trwy'r season. Dwi'n bod lle mae'r Perfformiad ar bod, dyna lle do'n ni chwarae, blwyddyn dwytha do'n ni chwarae fel y bob wsos. Just dangos bach o cymeriad heddiw. O'n i'n gwybod oedd yn mynd i fod yn galed ar y cae, ac maen nhw'n tîm dda, maen nhw'n licio pasio o gwmpas, ond o'n i'n gwybod sa'n ni'n chwarae'n gêm ni heddiw, sa'n ni'n gallu cael y canlyniad.
Great win for you, but now you can look forward to the cup game next week.
Yeah, take the focus off the league now. A cup run would be good. Obviously we look with the league, we're looking, Colin Bay and Airbus will be looking over the shoulders a little bit. We've still got a bit of a say in it, but like you said, the cup game is, we want to win the cup. We want to win every cup that we're in, so it's a blessing that we're there next week. Hopefully go there, get a result and move on to the next round.
At the end of the day, they're the champions and they don't want us to come here and to beat them, so we've got our own targets this season with regards to being where they were last year, and we do credit to them what they do.